Manthan Involuntary Kundalini Kriya Yoga, I introduced the world on last Guru Purnima during July of 2020. I revealed it to the world and I exposed the lessons of this Manthan Involuntary Kundalini Kriya Yoga to the people online. Initiating thousands and thousands of people into this Kriya Yoga, I don't believe in that. Because people who are actually blessed by the divine power, only they can come to this path. People who actually give up their Rajasic Guna and Tamasic Guna, and people who are Sattvic, they will only automatically come here. I don't need internet for the people to come here. I don't need anything else. In the cosmic womb, the divine consciousness is always there, spread across. And out of that consciousness, everybody is hanging. So people, whoever is honestly looking for the evolution, and people who have the true divine blessings, they will automatically come in and join this path, and then they are able to take up the online classes, and then they are having the Guru within, and they are involuntarily evolving with the Manthan Involuntary Kundalini Kriya Yoga in a very, very fast way. And then so many people who have the problems in their lives after their Kundalini getting invoked, even from those gurus who are initiating thousands of people in a massive way, even they, many of them have problems in their lives, spiritually also, mentally they have so many problems. They are all coming naturally here, and then they are getting connected to this Manthan Kundalini Kriya Yoga, and then they are involuntarily evolving. Kundalini is invoked. If it is invoked naturally, then it means you are remotely invoked into involuntary kriyas by the cosmic womb. In case you gone to any yoga classes and all, then if your Kundalini is invoked, it means with the help of that Guru, your Kundalini is invoked. Again, what you need to understand is the nature has made use of that Guru to pass the energies to you so that your Kundalini gets invoked. And that's when your involuntary Kundalini Kriyas will start. And thirdly, if you've gone to any Guru and taken the Shakti path, even then the Kundalini Kriyas will start. The Kundalini Kriyas, the involuntary Kundalini Kriyas will not start in all people who have attended the yoga classes with you, or involuntary Kundalini Kriyas will not even start with all the people who have taken the Shakti path from any Guru. Because of their several blockages and all, only 5%, less than 5% of the people who have attended the yoga classes or people who have taken the Shakti path from Guru, from any Guru, only less than 5% of the people get their Kundalini invoked. Other people, because of their blockages and their negativity and various other gunas and all, their Kundalini doesn't get invoked even if they have taken Shakti path. So, involuntary Kundalini Kriyas are happening in you because nature intended to invoke your Kundalini. Why? Because nature intends you to follow the path of advancing your Kundalini upward by taking up Manthan Yoga, which is again the science of true involuntary Kundalini Kriya Yoga. Here I will try to explain the differences between invoked Kundalini and awakened Kundalini. Invoked Kundalini means you will still have problems in your life. You will still continue with the old problems of your life, and in fact new problems will arise in your life because of the invoked Kundalini. Problems related to your health, finances, career, relationships and all will be newly awakened in your life. Whereas with awakened Kundalini, what happens is, because your Kundalini starts upward journey with the help of Manthan Kriya Yoga, what happens is the traits will not be exposed automatically there. With the help of all those thousands and thousands of cosmic divine forces, some of your traits will be basically erased. Some of your traits will be basically erased. And some of the karmas also will be absorbed into the cosmos. Nature will absorb to evolve you much faster, based on your dedication to the Manthan Kriya Yoga and its path. So here, problems will start reducing in your life with the awakened Kundalini in Manthan Kriya Yoga. Whereas, even if you have involuntary kriyas happening in you with the invoked Kundalini, problems will still persist in your life and you will be exposed to more and more karmas in your life to have the pains. And you will also find that negativities in you, weaknesses in you, still persist. In fact, they will not be improving. You will probably get more and more negative, you probably get more and more weaknesses into your system. You get to hear so many voices of the negative energies in the cosmos, because after invoking the Kundalini, your source code of the soul will be open to the whole cosmos, and that will be accessed by so many other negative energies, because of which more and more weaknesses will slip into your system, more and more negativity could slip into your system, and then those weaknesses and negativities will start increasing more and more with the invoked Kundalini and its involuntary kriyas. Those are initial involuntary kriyas. Whereas here, the consciousness expands. You will start getting rid of your weaknesses. You will start expanding your consciousness. You will get more and more positive energy into your system. You will be able to deal with your life much better by getting the cosmic energy into your system. You will be able to deal with the situations much better. And all your life here gets automatically operated and protected basically with the help of all those divine cosmic energies. In case you have any karmas remaining, probably you are required to have accident or something. These energies will try to absorb certain karmas in this path, and then they will see to that you will not have that accident in your life, or probably you will get out of that karma with a little accident, minute accident. So your life will be involuntarily operated by getting the protection. You will be moving towards prosperity in your life by getting into good careers, by having good health and all, and by increasing the prosperity in your businesses and all. So here the love will increase, sattva guna will increase here. Here love will be shrinking, means you will start getting more and possessive, which you think that it is love. It is actually maya. It is not love. Here love means it expands. Your consciousness gets expanded. Sacrifice will get expanded. You will start seeing yourself into all the people who are there around you. Your consciousness expands here. Here the consciousness shrinks. You will get into more and more fights with people because of unnecessary situations that will manifest in your life because of the negative spirits that are dealing with your system. More and more negative situations will happen. They will spoil your mood, they will spoil your mind, they will spoil your relationship with all the people, your businesses and all will spoil. These are the disturbances basically that you will observe here with the initial invoked Kundalini Kriyas. Even if you got initiated into initial invoked Kundalini Kriyas by any Siddha Guru, still these weaknesses and negativity will continue with you, because the actual path that nature intended you to take up, you have not taken up. Because of that, these problems are still further continuing. So many people who have involuntary kriyas have so many problems in their lives, and some of them who are blessed by the divine. Still many more people are going through their problems, which is their own karma, which we cannot help. But some people who are truly blessed are connected to Manthan involuntary Kundalini Kriya Yoga automatically to advance their Kundalini and get rid of their problems in life and experience prosperity in life. So this is the difference between the invoked Kundalini and the awakened Kundalini. So in case you have involuntary Kundalini Kriyas happening with you, you check yourself whether your life is progressing or you are having all these problems. And if you have all these problems, it means the involuntary Kundalini Kriyas invoked in you, even if they are invoked by any great guru, if the problems are still persisting, it means that you are not actually connected to the path that you are meant to, because of which you are having all these problems. Many people are coming with the problems they have in their lives to resolve them after having these involuntary kriyas starting in their lives. After taking up Manthan involuntary kriya yoga online, they have observed a lot of progress in their lives. I basically don't market myself. If some of them probably might comment on this video and give their testimonials probably to help the people in the world who have involuntary kriyas and who are suffering in their lives. And in this path, the operator of this path is totally the supernatural power. I am only the medium in this path. I will try to show you an FAQ link, frequently asked questions link, which you can probably check and then find out the answers. Probably after checking the FAQs, you will be able to understand what is happening in your lives. Hari Om.